In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best golf shoes. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best golf shoes. Number 5. Under Armour Drive Pro SL. The Under Armour Drive Pro SL is a great value golf shoe that delivers solid performance without the premium price tag. It features UA hover cushioning that provides a soft, responsive feel while still giving strong support during your swing. The spikeless outsole is designed for reliable traction on most course conditions, making it perfect for casual and regular golfers. It's lightweight, waterproof, and built with an athletic, sneaker-like design that feels comfortable from the first wear. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still performs well on the course, this shoe is an excellent starting point. Number 4. EcoBiome C4. The EcoBiome C4 is one of the most comfortable golf shoes you can wear for long rounds. It is designed with Biome Natural Motion technology, which supports your foot's natural movement and reduces fatigue while walking. The breathable waterproof upper keeps your feet dry in all weather conditions, while the spikeless outsole delivers impressive grip and stability. Many golfers describe it as feeling like a high-end walking sneaker with golf-level performance. If comfort is your top priority and you want a shoe that feels effortless over 18 holes, the EcoBiome C4 is a top-tier choice. Number 3. Adidas Tour 360/24. The Adidas Tour 360/24 is built for golfers who want maximum stability and control in every swing. Its 360 wrap system locks your foot in place, reducing unwanted movement and helping you generate more power and consistency. The cushioning provides a firm yet comfortable feel, giving you excellent balance throughout your round. It also features a waterproof upper that keeps your feet dry in changing conditions. This shoe is especially popular among power hitters who prefer a grounded, stable feel rather than soft cushioning. If performance and swing control matter most, this is a reliable and powerful choice. Number 2. FootJoy Premier Series Packard. The FootJoy Premier Series Packard is a premium golf shoe trusted by professionals for its exceptional stability and classic design. Made with high-quality leather, it offers durability, waterproof protection, and a refined look that stands out on the course. The upgraded cushioning around the heel improves comfort, while the spike system delivers outstanding grip during powerful swings. This shoe is designed for golfers who want a traditional feel combined with modern performance technology. If you value long-lasting quality, tour-level traction, and a timeless golf style, the FootJoy Packard is one of the best options available. Number 1. Nike Air Zoom Infinity Tour. Next Percent 3. The Nike Air Zoom Infinity Tour. Next Percent 3 takes the top spot as the best overall golf shoe. It combines elite-level performance with sneaker-like comfort, making it perfect for all types of golfers. The Zoom Air cushioning provides responsive energy return, while the advanced spike pattern delivers outstanding traction and stability during powerful swings. It is lightweight, breathable, and designed for comfort during long rounds. Whether you're a beginner or a low-handicap player, this shoe gives you confidence, control, and comfort in every step and swing. It truly stands out as the most complete golf shoe. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best golf shoes. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.